I'm Javed. Now I'm showing to you how we can use a pop-up time picker in advanced Excel in your Excel workbook like this. On this is a pop-up time picker from here is AM, PM, second, minute, and time. Yes, there is some other option like this color change. Yes, there is 15 minute, 10-minute intervals and 5-minute intervals. Yeah, please subscribe my channel for getting new videos. I will come back with my another videos with you. So let's start how we can done it in Excel. So at first open your workbook or open a new workbook. So I'm opening a new Microsoft Excel worksheet. Just follow this. Okay, our new workbook is open now. Just this file save as desktop like Excel macro enabled workbook. Excel macro enabled workbook. Okay, it's like book name is pop-up time. Okay. Set. Now close this file, minimize it and reopen our pop-up timesheet macro enabled workbook. This is our macro enabled workbook. So now we need a option developer tab. This is our developer tab. If you do not find this developer tab, just go to file option, then go option. There is option, click on, then click customize ribbon. There is customize ribbon option, then tick mark just developer option, then press OK. Okay, now our developer tab is open. So now go back our time picker main sheet, I mean this sheet, and click here on when pop-up time picker is open. Just click here and press Ctrl plus C for copy, or in your mouse right button press on, then copy this and go back our new pop-up time sheet and paste in here. Okay, our first step is now finished. Now we are going to our second step. Just press Alt F11 or go to Developer tab, then go Visual Basic. Press Alt F11 or go to Developer tab, then go Visual Basic. Okay, our Visual Basics is open now. This is our time picker XLMS existing sheet, and this is our pop-up time sheet, I mean new sheet. Okay, expand this time picker. Here is your module, and all time pickers macros and codings are in this sheet. Here is a huge codings, so you do not need to rewrite this code. Just follow me. Already I have written this code in Visual Basic. Okay, just drag this time picker and put our next new XLS book. Okay, put done. Now go to module. Here is all macros are open, like same to same copy. And we need to another time picking pop-up time picker codings. Here is the coding are This is our existing workbook and this is our time picker coding. You do not need to rewrite this code. Just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C for copy and go back our new workbook. This is our new workbook time picker. This is PopUp. This is our time picking and this is sheet 1. Sheet 1. So we need to paste this sheet 1 in our new workbook. This is sheet 1. Just paste Ctrl V. Yes, paste successful. Now we want to say we want to pick our pop-up calendar in this new sheet like D3, F3 or D4, F4. So go back our Visual Basic coding and write here D3, F3, D 5, F5, D7, F7. Okay, now we are selecting just 6 pop-up time picking option in our sheet. So go back our pop-up time picking sheet. This is our time picking sheet and here is D3. Yes, time picking our works. Here is F3. Yes, then 5, 6, 7, 8, D3, F3, oh no. Okay, our work is finished now. So we want to write a time. Yes, just save this file. Also save the Visual Basic code here. Okay, now close this. Now select your time. Out PM, then done this. Yes, it works correctly and perfectly. Okay. Now our work is finished. Please subscribe my channel for getting new videos. I will come back with my another videos with you.